each other, building walls around the lonely people. We're only people. I think we ought to burn it down to the ground. Let's blow it open till our hearts are open. Whatever it takes happens now.
Everyone here is so kind. It doesn't matter what walk of life you're from, they accept you for who you are.
The people that are behind the scenes, they brought the two of us on, and now we've brought 4 others. Everybody loves each other, and they're for the moment, and it's a feeling.
Here we go now, here we go, here we go now, here we go. Extraordinary, more than what we are, letting go of me, falling into free. Here we go. Extraordinary, more than what we are, letting go of me, falling into free. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah.
Headbangers Ball was a great time. The Sister Hazel Red, White, and Blue was perfect.
Going